How to get premium on Crunchyroll. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser and tap on the search bar. Now search for Crunchyroll Premium. Now open up the first website. Now choose your preferred plan. Now click on Start 7-day free trial. Now log into your account. Now fill up the details and click on Start free trial. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.